Yeah, I have 24 volts here. Then I should have it at the board.
Okay, yeah.
At the green. I got it. And then I should have it at the orange on the board, and I don't because that relay is not closing. Slowed it down a little right here to explain that that green wire energizes that relay right next to the plug with the white little sticker on top, and then gives 24 volts to the orange wire that energizes my fan relay, and my blower should come on.
So now it's just like everything just clips on, huh?
What do you mean?
Like
Plugs? Yeah. Okay.
Much.
Yep. Okay, we're good now.
So, you know, it's like, oh, that black wire.
Oh, it's fucking loose. Can you mind turning the breaker off?
Okay.
Yeah. I hope I ain't mess up another relay. Alright, we're good.
That's it?
Yeah.
You know what the front thing is there and tripped the breaker.
Yeah, it's because it didn't hit the ground, it hit the relay right here. It's all white.
Oh wow.
I hope I ain't mess it up. The red voltage to the heater goes to the board, and that converts the 24 volts to DC voltage. Then it's supposed to close these relays. So I got the DC voltage, meaning that my board is working, but the relays are not closing. And since I hit it with the high voltage on the coil side, it probably melted or messed up my coils on both relays, not letting these relays close. The bottom shell. I'm guessing my rectifier is bad as well. Burnt out. smoking.
You know, that's what the other one was doing too.
It's smoking the...
No, the same noise. I smell electrical burn.
It's crazy. Alright, so I couldn't really talk before this video because I had somebody here with me and it was, you know, kind of weird. He was looking at me like, why does this motherfucker keep recording? But what we got here is, so when I energize my W with my thermostat, I get 24 volts to this board, which is called the rectifier. And it converts the 24 volts into DC voltage for the relay to close and turn on my heater and my blower speed. And it got these two wires as a jumper because it has two heat strips, so it does the same thing with this other relay here. But you don't need a rectifier there because it's using the voltage from here. It's just jumper. And for some reason it's smoking up. I've never seen that before, but I just want to see if it's my actual rectifier board. Like if I add voltage to it, it starts smoking, or it's probably something with this relay. So let's see. Yeah, it's my board. Look. Let's see it burn. Oh, it blew my fuse. So it's kind of like short. I guess it's shorted out internally on that board. That's why it's smoking up like that. Shit won't focus. God damn it. Let's do it again. I'm having fun with this shit. Let's see what happens. Damn, I want to see that shit burn. Those two are starting to burn. Then the front is starting to burn up, them resistors. Oh well, so we're gonna replace that. I got a new one. Let's see if it gets rid of my issue. Well, I'm pretty sure because this shit is shorted out. So, boom. So what was going on with the other one was that it had a bad time delay board, and it wouldn't close the relay that's on the board, send power to my orange wire that goes to my fan relay, closes the fan relay, and my fan comes on. So it was freezing up because the fan wouldn't come on. And I replaced that, but once I was about to put it back together, this hot wire on my contactor was loose and it came out and it hit my relay and it fried everything. So let me just open this shit up. Let's see. All right, so we got the new rectifier on there. Before I turn it on, just want to explain that. So right here, you could see that they removed the white wire and used the brown wire. So somebody was here working on this before and they couldn't figure out why it was shorting out, or they probably knew and they didn't have one, so they'll like just leave it like that for service. But yeah, they were troubleshooting it already just by the wires. They rolled that up pretty nice. Looks pretty cool. But all right, let's see if it got rid of my issue. I replaced the rectifier already. Yep, no smoke. Oh shit. No smoke. We're good. So now I'm gonna put it back on this relay, close everything up and see, put my thermometer and make sure it's heating. There we go. It's working. So the only thing wrong here was this rectifier. It is it's shorted out internally. So yeah, 24 volts go into these pins, then it turns into DC voltage. Comes out as 12 DC volts. I don't know what's the point of that. It seems retarded to me because I mean you could just use 24 volts and it'll close the relay, but I don't know what's their point with that. But yeah, there we go. We're done. Now I ran out of relays in my little pill organizer. I mean, fucking fuses. So I gotta go get one in my truck, put it on there, close it up. We're done. Off to the next call. Let's get it. All right, so we got 59 degrees in here. Heater is on already. Got the fuse in there. Boom. It's only like a 15, 16 degree split. I'm not sure why, but it's gonna warm up pretty quick. We're all done here. On to the next call.